What's going on, guys? Welcome to Robinhood. I'm Bob. Today I had $3,500 deposited in my account today. I'm going to go over what I bought, how my day went today, and a couple things I want to try in the future. First off, today we are at the end of the market. During hours, I actually did 0.84%, so that was $90.76. But after hours, it did fall off 0.46%. It's about 50 bucks. I try to stay about 0.5% to 1% each day, which would be a good day. So let's get started. First, I did with the 3,500, I did buy some Microsoft shares. I sold my Sony shares. I had 13 of them. I think they've hit a high right now, and they will start to go down. They are currently at, currently at 65.49. I sold it at 65.35. I think they will start to go down since they had to push back their reveal. But in Microsoft, I ended up buying 7 shares of Microsoft today, a total of 16 shares. In AT&T, I actually bought 13 shares, total of 43 shares. Aflac, I bought 12 shares, total of 36 shares. And Coca-Cola, I ended up buying 9 shares today. Realty Income, I bought 9 shares as well. Bank of America, 17 shares. HPQ, I bought 28 shares, total of 88 shares. So let's go through these real quick. First, Microsoft today, I'm down 42%, not too bad. My average cost of Microsoft is $182.07. I plan Microsoft should get to the 188 range, I think by a couple weeks, just when Sony reveals what they're going to do. I think Microsoft will come right back right after that. I picked Microsoft because it is a very good company, steady increase, and they've already kind of recovered from the coronavirus. And also the dividend yield is 1.1. Next one is AT&T. They came up with their streaming, HBO. Right now they just gained 7 cents from AT&T today, but the average cost I have is $31.25. But they do have a high dividend yield right now. It was over 7, but the stock has been going up, so it's at 6.75 right now. Next stock is Aflac. Aflac is a good company. If you look at their 3-month, they've not recovered fully, but they've been pretty steady. The 1-year mark, they're pretty steady as well, and the 5-year mark, they've actually grown. So I am with Aflac. I think they will get up to the $40 to $42 range, as long as we don't have another lockdown. And their dividend yield is 3.07 as well. Next is Coca-Cola. You really can't go wrong with Coca-Cola. They have not recovered as fast as some of the other stocks. I'm guessing because the restaurants and everything are still not at 100%. But for the month of Coca-Cola, they're up 4%. 3 months, they're actually still down 13%, but I think they will actually get back up to the $50 range. They were actually at 58 March 4th. So, not only that, they do have a dividend yield of 3.51. This one here is a pretty good company, Realty Income. I expect this to go up dramatically within the next 3 to 6 months, so I'm going to buy some more shares of this and see where it goes. If you look at the 3-month, they were all the way up to about 77. Even at the 1 year, they were in the 80s. And the 5-year, they've been pretty decent. Even though it's the Realty Income, they own a lot of they have a lot of properties that are essential that stayed open. So them paying the rent, I think it'll be good. And on a better note, their dividend yield is 5.06. So keep a lookout for that stock particular. Bank of America, I've liked Bank of America. Their stock is pretty steady. If you look at the 5-year, they've been all the way up to about $35. They're at 24 now. I'm hoping they get to the 30s. And they also are paying their dividends out still, and it's at $2.99. And also Bank of America, if you are on the unemployment, they actually send you the cards, and it is through Bank of America. So it's a debit card through Bank of America that people are getting these unemployment cards as well. So hopefully they start to go up. But they did make me a little bit of money today. Not a lot, but a little bit. Next one would be HPQ. I picked this just because I still think they have room to grow. In February, they were in talks of getting bought out by Xerox, and at that time they actually made me some decent money. My average cost is $15.17, but they still have a pretty good dividend yield at 4.66. I do plan on spreading the money out to all the stocks that I've mentioned, and then try a different stock here and there. I did try to do forward. I tried to sell a put, which I thought the stock was going up, just to show you guys. That's in my last video I just did, but unfortunately it did not get picked up since the stock started going higher and higher, and the bid that I had, it was at 570. So right now it's at 582, and at the time it was at 580. It went almost up to 587, 588, yeah, almost 590. So a lot of people did not want to buy that since it was already on the upswing. So the next video will be on, well, let me just show you for the week. I'm up 443, 4%. For the month, I am down about 5%. So need to get that back hopefully by the end of June, if not higher than that. So my next video will be on Friday to kind of give you a summary of how my week went. Every Monday I should be able to deposit some type of money on there, maybe not $3,500 each time, but I should be able to put a couple $100 in there and maybe try to do another put, sell another put, or buy another call. If you have any interest of learning any of these, I can kind of either do a demo or I can actually do one that may be low risk. Any questions, comments, put it in below. I do have a link at the bottom as well that will get you a free stock to Robinhood. It will also get me a free stock, and I will show the video if you do that and get it. And please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys.